Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see a kurma recipe with black-eyed bean and potatoes. Black-eyed bean is rich in protein, calcium, vitamins, and it is a very easy kurma. It goes well with chapati, idlis and dosas. Come, let's see how to prepare it. First, let's see the ingredients. Black-eyed bean. Black-eyed bean is soaked and it is boiled. Next you need is boiled potatoes, tomatoes, chopped onions, oil, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder, ginger garlic paste, fennel seeds and salt, curry leaves. Now heat a kadai, add oil, then add the fennel seeds. Now add the ginger garlic paste and saute. Add the chopped onions and saute well. Once the onion is cooked, add the curry leaves and tomatoes and saute well. Now add turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, and saute well. Now add the water and mix it well and cook until the raw smell goes off. Then switch off the stove and allow it to cool. Then grind it into a fine paste. Now again in a kadai add oil, add the mustard seeds and allow it to splutter. Now you can add the grinded paste. Add the boiled black-eyed bean, boiled potatoes, then water as per requirement. Add salt and cook it for 10 minutes. Finally, add the chopped coriander leaves and our tasty kurma is ready. If you like my channel, subscribe it, like it, share it with your friends and families. Thank you.